Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 that generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the steering wheel switches, steering wheel controls is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses from, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. All that will be covered today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You guys have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, okay, right there above the radiator, and the other one is actually guys inside the vehicle. That's the one that we will need today for that specific video. It's under the glove box on the right side by the kick panel right there. That's where the fuse box is located. You remove the cover and you will see a fuse box like that. By having it open like that, and we took a picture, we zoomed it, we can clearly show you where everything is located. So let's explain first why it's super important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So which fuse specifically we need to check guys for the steering wheel controls, steering wheel switches? If we come in that row right here on the left side, starting from the very top, even if you guys have a missing fuse, you count that spot, we have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That fuse number 12, which is 15 fuse, will need to be checked right here. If you guys need to buy replacement fuses or relays at a really good price, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.